and too many roads between me and everything I'd like to call home. Well, I found a sweet song that I'd love to croon, but this burden keeps me going, and I can't keep that tune. But now nothing lasts forever, except for moments when you suffer. So don't you tell me that it will be okay, 'cause I can't change a thing. And when someone steals a piece of you, sometimes nothing can replace it. And I'm hollow where I used to be, full of everything. While I was walking and feeling raw, all I could think about was that sweet call. I've cried for the reasons, I've cried for the whys, I've cried oh so many times, but that won't make it right. And this is just an example of how our lives can twist and strangle, throwing dice in inauspicious rooms. And you will always lose, and I'll never wander, but I'll always wonder. In a life so very long ago, I wrote that lovely song. Well, now nothing lasts forever, and that includes me and my endeavors. When that blackbird comes to sing his song, I will sing along.